Moving on, we got XLM, stellar, so bullish, way above this moving average, but having a real tough time breaking this area here. It's like 17-cent area on the daily. But I think this is similar to the other ones that we looked at. I think it's just retracing a bit. I want to see if it's retraced already though. It has. So you can see it came up here, retraced perfectly. Man, I gotta trade cryptos more often. They really retrace really well. So we're gonna move this up to here. We're gonna move this bottom of the fib to this one. You can see that it's coming down. It held at the 50%, came back up, couldn't break the zone, so now it's going for a deeper retrace towards the 618. So I do like this a lot actually. So I'm gonna let price come down to this area here before we even look at anything. Probably around 13. What's my even number? I kind of want it to go a little bit deeper to this area here, right at, because I do like whole numbers. So I'm gonna shoot for 13. I think this will be my entry point, and it's based on, it is below this this zone, but I think what will happen is price will go through this zone but then pull back, and so I think most of the buying will happen right around the 13-cent area. You got these candles here, so this is what my trade would look like. That's my buy position, my monthly low. Let's see what the normal range is. Did about 0.1 last month, so we'll call it at 10. And then the month before we did 4, then 9, so on average it says about 6. So yeah, I could do that. I mean, that's pretty reasonable. Puts us right at up here. So something like this. You're going to target 0.19 because that is our monthly range for stellar. So that makes sense to target that. It's not quite the most recent high. Most recent high is really close to about 20 here, just shy. So this should be very fair and you know, targetable. So let price come down to here, and then let's see these moving averages. Yeah, so to most likely reject this moving average. It might break it a little bit, but then resume, start making higher highs, higher lows. Once it does that, then we look for our buy position right around the 13-cent mark and target 19. Break through this zone, keep going. This is heavily bullish. You got this massive bull candle, you got all this bullish structure here. It's been bullish since mid-June, so I think it'll continue to do so. It's just got to retrace a bit, come down to this zone where everyone's going to get in on the buying, and then yeah, buy it up all the way to 19 cents. So that's stellar XLM.